Candy Washing Machine E20. What does it really mean? If your Candy Washing Machine E20 error appears on the display, it means there's an issue with draining water. But don't panic. In most cases, this is something you can fix yourself without calling a technician. Before seeking professional help, it's worth checking a few common problem areas that might be causing this issue. What causes the Candy Washing Machine E20 error? The E20 error is usually linked to a blocked drainage system. Here's what could be causing the problem: clogged pump filter. A buildup of lint, hair, or small objects like coins can block water flow. Blocked or kinked drain hose. If the hose is twisted or obstructed, water won't be able to drain properly. Clogged drain outlet. If your drainage system is slow or blocked, the washing machine won't be able to pump out water effectively. Regular cleaning of these parts can prevent future issues and help keep your washing machine running smoothly. How to fix the E20 error in your Candy Washing Machine. If you see the Candy Washing Machine E20 error, follow these steps to troubleshoot the issue. Check the pump filter. Open the small access panel at the bottom of the machine. Twist the filter counterclockwise and remove any debris inside. Inspect the drain hose. Make sure it's not twisted or blocked. You can run water through it to confirm it's clear. Ensure the drain system is working. If your home's drainage system is clogged, it can prevent the washing machine from draining properly. If these steps don't resolve the issue, the problem may be with the drain pump or electronic components of the machine. If your washing machine is still under warranty, it's best to contact customer support before attempting further repairs. Signs that your Candy Washing Machine has a drainage problem. If you're unsure whether the Candy Washing Machine E20 error is affecting your appliance, look out for these symptoms. The machine stops mid-cycle and displays the E20 error code. Clothes remain soaking wet after a wash. The machine makes unusual buzzing or hissing sounds. Water remains inside the drum after the cycle finishes. If you notice these issues, checking the filter, hose, and drainage system should be your first step in solving the problem. When to call a technician. If the error persists even after cleaning the filter and drain hose, it may indicate a more serious issue, such as a faulty drain pump. If the pump is damaged or blocked beyond repair, it may need to be replaced. Electrical faults, wiring issues, or sensor malfunctions can prevent the machine from draining. Main control board failure. In rare cases, the machine's motherboard may be the problem, requiring professional repair. A technician can diagnose and fix these issues, ensuring your washing machine runs efficiently again. How much does it cost to fix the E20 error? The cost of repairing the Candy Washing Machine E20 error depends on the cause of the problem. Here's a general idea of potential costs. Cleaning the drain hose, free if you do it yourself, or around $20 to $50 if a technician is needed. Replacing the drain pump costs between $50 to $150 depending on the model. Fixing electrical components. If the control board is faulty, repairs can range from $100 to $300. If your washing machine is still under warranty, check with the manufacturer before paying for repairs, as some issues may be covered. Final thoughts: the Candy Washing Machine. E20 error is a common but manageable issue. In most cases, a simple cleaning of the filter and hose will resolve the problem. However, if the error persists, a deeper technical issue may be at play, requiring professional assistance. Regular maintenance and cleaning can help prevent this error from occurring in the future, keeping your washing machine in good working order for years to come.